Okay, so I have a little bit of take two, by the way. Soldering a battery cable on your toy helicopter. I have a little bit of flux on the wires there that I've semi-neatly joined. I have my cordless butane soldering iron heating up. I think it's heating up. Might have gone out. There we go. Oh yeah, there we go. This tip has a little catalytic combustor in it. That's the exhaust port. So it's starting to smoke. Let's see if we can solder this. Quick as a wink. That's done. Maybe. Looks like it's separated from the pin. Dumb it. Dumb it, dumb it, dumb it. Yepper. Sure enough. Try again. That might have done it. Looks like it. Now, just going to slide that shrink tubing there and shrink it with the exhaust of the pyro pin. Right like that. Oh shit. I got it too hot. Screwed that all up. Nice. Back to square one. Maybe. Maybe not. Still feels solid. I might have to test it out. Throw a battery on it. Wiggle it around. I think I got it. "4 minutes. Too long."